I am doing the cest, truth, soul, full spectrum alignment. Let's begin. Start here at the top and go down to the end. I am doing this. Cest, truth, soul, thymus complex breathing. How to step by step. I am breathing my truth soul into my truth thymus complex, halfway between my throat chakra and heart chakra. I am inhaling for 3 seconds into my truth spiritual heart, filling my truth thymus complex. I am holding for 6 seconds. And I am exhaling for 9 seconds. I do this breathing for 1 to 3 times, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. I am saying this out loud or to myself. I am, with my truth soul, unifying with my truth soul. My truth soul and my truth innate self and my truth adamantine particles flow, body, spirit, and my truth. I am blueprint of perfect health, and my truth Akashic Harvesting and mining and my truth whole being. Creating my truth soul, unified self. For me, acting, being, creating, doing, imagining, intending, knowing, learning, remembering, and using with my truth soul unified self and my truth whole being. For my cest, truth soul personal intentions, and 4, clearing my truth whole being of anything involuntary, negative, and non-beneficial. And 4, unconditionally loving, forgiving, and grateful for myself and my truth whole being. I love me. Tee hee hee. I am that I am. I am saying this for 1 to 3 times, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. I am doing this. I am truth soul humming and truth soul imagining at the same time. My cest truth soul full spectrum alignment and the success of my cest truth soul personal intentions. I am doing this humming and imagining for 1 to 3 times, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. I am at the end. Congratulations. Accept yourself. Take a deep truth soul breath.